Alright guys, we are very excited to be here today at this beautiful day at Fremont with you. Wow. And we have a very exciting video planned for you today because finally we get to skate a Tesla. A full Tesla we are going to skate on.
Look at the teamwork!
Wait, what color is it?
We don't know. This is well packaged.
It's like Christmas!
Whoa! What in the world? This video is really gonna open up a lot of doors for us. Yeet it!
Wow. Finally a boomerang that works! We're gonna need a lot of cardio to skate this.
Whoa.
Whoa.
What is this?
That's crazy. Well, that's the end of the video because we have no way to skate this.
Nah, Fetty's got some ideas.
Do you?
I build things, I don't build things.
This right here is the door of a Tesla. Passenger side door. It opens with a handle that would pop out from right here. We couldn't afford a full Tesla, so we could just get a defective door off eBay.
Man, that's really bright.
Wow. So how are we gonna put trucks
Well, look,
on
they already
this?
have truck holes for us. I think we can go through it.
You think so?
Yeah.
Well, let's make sure and not scratch it though, eh guys?
Make sure you roll the windows down first. I'd like to see Carlos drop in on the big bowl with this.
Yeah?
You know, it's early, Gabe.
And toss me some trucks so we can plan this out a little bit. You know what? Sometimes you just gotta do things one at a time. Wow.
Oh, that was easy. So, Aaron, if I were to give you every single piece to a Tesla car, do you think you could build it?
Absolutely. You know, I was thinking about that today. I was like, I really, really, really want to have a Tesla. I was thinking if I could get a door this easily, maybe I could get all of the parts and just assemble it myself.
Switch all the parts of your Prius with Tesla parts.
Yes, but you have a Prius engine on a Tesla car.
I think that kind of defeats the purpose.
I got it.
All right.
Ah, look at you.
You thought I couldn't build your house?
No, I knew. Bear! Hey, dude! How are you, Bear? You're getting big.
You know what I'm a little bit worried about on this? This truck is sort of sideways and this truck is as well.
I think it's gonna be okay. That is remarkably easy to drill through. Look at that dog. That is great. Aaron, if you were gonna get a Tesla, what color would you get?
Probably matte black.
Fetty, what color would you get?
I don't know. Just matte black. Look like the Batmobile.
Troy!
Oh, hello!
This
I think you guys are thinking about it too much. You just gotta let it drive.
This may or may not work.
It's teamwork.
This is the hardest thing I've ever built, by far.
When you want to skate at noon, but somebody locked the door.
Oh!
Is this video gonna work if the child lock is on? Aaron, would you ever trust a self-driving car?
No. Not only do I not trust it, I don't believe that it's helpful.
Wait, why do you want a Tesla then?
I want a Tesla
Dude, this thing
because they're extremely fast. It will not drive itself. I will drive it. I am in control of the automobile. Thank you. You get in that car and you step on and you're like this. Boom! Done.
Dude, it is like oddly shiny. It's nice. It's like a reflector panel. It's a Tesla door. A Tesla door.
Is it Tesla?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I know.
Rolling up at the spot.
Oh!
Roll the windows up.
Man, Teslas don't have those wind-up windows.
Oh, dude, those are the best windows ever.
What is this, 1990? All right, you ready for this?
No, I'm scared. Do you think it's gonna roll?
Oh!
The first nollie. Well, should we cruise this around the park a little bit?
Yeah,
Or?
let's take it. There we go, there we go! Yes! I know, do you think Allstate would cover this?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Shove it off.
doable.
Shove it out of it.
Yes. Shove it off. Me versus Carlos. I think I got this first try. You might want to watch your shins.
Yeah, I'm a little worried about that.
Oh!
Oh, I'm terrified.
I gotta teach you the secret, Carlos. Oh wait, I'll let Fetty go. Ow! Yowzer. Oh! What just happened? Rebate? Rebate?
I'm a rebate. That was good enough. That was pretty good though. That was good.
What is that noise it made? Ba-dong, dong.
I'm gonna go learn how to skate with these kids. See you guys later.
Oh! Dude, what if that went up your nuts.
Nothing. Would feel nothing.
Whoa! Man, that fakey shove just went 0 to 100 in 0.3 seconds.
Straight up.
What? You can make it up a box on that.
You think so? Kickflip?
I think you should try taking it up the mani pad.
Up the mani pad?
Like Tony Hawk Pro Skater board.
Let's go.
Learn how to ride, Carlos. You guys must not break it.
Should I drop in and then?
You drop in first, yeah. Aaron, you think he's got this?
Yeah, first try.
Full send. Ow! Dude, he could have hit the freaking handrail.
He
with that.
literally can do anything.
Wow.
No slide?
No slide, yes.
Yeah, actually.
I don't think I can get up there.
There you go. There you go. Oh no.
Teamwork
Oh,
is
no.
the dream work.
Oh, you're not locked in there.
Oh, wow. I'm gonna need a rebate on that.
How did we get this thing?
We bought it on eBay, I think.
Straight up?
Yeah.
Let's get it. Oh!
Ollie! Oh! No!
No
way! If you can ollie that, oh my
Betty,
god.
you gotta get the ollie,
Slow-mo.
dude.
I'll get you a Coke if you land it, okay? I got a Coke on this.
Can I get a Coke if he lands it?
Yes, yes. You both get Cokes.
Thank
Cokes
you.
for everybody.
Thank you, thank you,
Got
thank
it.
you.
Oh, watch out, sir.
Heads up, sir. Whoa! Let's get it, Betty.
What do you think?
Great idea.
Yeah?
Have you ever seen this before?
No.
That's a Tesla door.
That's how we do it.
Oh!
I told you can make it up the
Let me
box on
adjust.
that.
You think so?
Yeah.
My god.
My foot got stuck in this hole. Good thing I got great cardio.
Ah.
Stupid.
I would say we need to gas him up, but it's electric.
It's hard to balance.
Get fully charged.
Oh! Count it.
You cleared it, but then did he fully make the roll
I
away?
think he's got to make it past the first hump.
Look at him just carrying that.
You ever wonder what we look like to people on the side of the road, like skating a car door?
Yeah! Just when you think the world is safe again, he ollies a gap with a car door.
This is it, Aaron. This is your time to shine. Full send. All you. Definitely got that.
Yeah, I got that.
Betty, can you be on car door watch?
Yeah.
Thanks. Oh no! Freaking nailed that though.
I
That was
know.
amazing. Oh, you are a man of your word. I actually can't take this right now though.
Dude, I gotta manual it.
Yeah, you gotta make it. Stay with it. Yes!
Wow. Mini ramp?
Is that possible?
That's scary.
Dropping the mini bowl.
Wait, what? What have you done?
It's scientifically advanced not to hurt people.
You legit almost pushed him into a blunt stole.
Put it on auto drive.
Hey, one more!
Carlos versus the big ball?
Yes.
I don't know how you did that. Alright, I got it.
Now rock and roll. It almost cut his entire body in half, just split.
Had to dodge it.
It's too early for this.
It is so loud.
Could you imagine how loud it would be at the Braille house though?
That was catastrophic.
Catastrophic. Bull?
Just get out of the way.
Wow, this is real cute.
No, Carlos, no.
Yeah. You know, it's out here. My new Pro model, 2019. Check it out.
Carlos
Oh,
is now
God.
pro for Tesla.
Oh no.
You got the
get in
slow-mo?
there,
Hold on,
baby,
hold
he's
on,
gonna die. You can do anything.
Who's it?
Hello.
I'm so glad I don't have to do that again. That
Dude,
was sketchy,
you were
dude.
amazing, dude.
Counts.
Oh my gosh, wait, no. You guys could hold it on the handrail and someone could go down the handrail on it. Carlos! We need the underlord!
I guess I want
You got
to.
the 5?
I
I
guess
mean,
I
you did
wanna-
ollie the gap. Could ollie the
It's
5.
probably the most suitable candidate.
I guess I want to die today. Okay.
After Fetty ollies the 5, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold it on the handrail and you're gonna board slide down it.
The first day I met Carlos, he did that on a
This is
door.
like
On a door.
the
Yeah.
anniversary. Oh,
Dude, that was so adorable.
adorable. Oh!
Wow.
I mean, I cleared like.
No way!
I guess I
First
cleared
try,
like
man.
2
How
stairs.
did he land that and roll away?
Okay, we're gonna need some manpower for this one.
Are you okay? I
We
was
need-
not,
we need 2 people.
not sure what was gonna occur there.
Uzi on this thing scares me. Literally, you would chop your leg off.
Yeah.
Oh!
Did you have any idea that we were gonna be able to do this many tricks on it?
Oh, absolutely.
I didn't.
Oh!
Man.
Manpower.
Cthulhu manpower.
Yeah, that was some
Cthulhu
Cthulhu manpower
manpower.
right there.
Yeah, he said go and held on to me the whole time.
Look at how big the car door is compared to Carlos.
I know.
Carry my door with me. So gonna work?
Now the sharp side is aimed towards my nuts.
Right. I think it'd be more effective if you ran and jumped on.
No.
Oh!
How did that work?
I don't know.
How did that ever?
I really
ever
don't
happen?
know.
I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with all we've put this through.
Yeah.
The only actual damage is the damage that was already there.
Yeah, seriously.
7th there.
Wow.
Wow.
Dude, this thing held up.
Yeah.
Relatively still in perfect condition.
Well, I appreciate your guys' support in watching this. If we can please get Elon out for the next video, that would be incredible.
Yes, it
You know
would.
what would be awesome? A solar-powered, fully Tesla electric skateboard.
Yeah.
Huh? That goes 150 miles an hour. Okay, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was an absolute blast to make. And yeah, what should we skate next here on Skate Everything? We're getting really out there. I hope you guys had a blast watching this video. We had an absolute blast making it for you. You guys should all be learning how to skateboard and having a blast on your skateboard. Go to BrailleSkateboarding.com and get all of your skateboard gear. There is tons of stuff there. There's a lot of new products in the shop right now. So go and get your gear. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out all of the other videos in this playlist. There are a ton of other rad things that we have skated on and you'll love it. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.
That's sick.